Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm with Valleyscape and we install outdoor lighting. This time of year, everyone's thinking about outdoor lighting because the days are getting shorter and lighting is a lot more important. So what I want to do is walk you through the process of planning out lighting, how you would light up a backyard, how many lights you might use, some things to avoid, and how much it costs. So let's start with this yard. One of the things we want to identify is what are the focal points. So focal points would typically be trees or maybe a fountain, something like that. Here we have a lot of trees, so we definitely need to highlight those. I'll show you what we did. So we did 2 lights on this side, these 2 trees. We did 3 in the back on 3 of the pine trees, and then we did 2 on this side. So we don't light every tree up because it will look redundant and it won't look very good. Another thing that you want to do is you want to go in odd numbers. So 5, 7, 9. For some reason, this just looks better to the eye and it flows a lot better. So in this yard, you'll see we didn't light up all the pine trees. We just did 3 of them. It looks great. Additionally, so once you have the focal points nailed down, you kind of work out from there. Do we need path lighting? Do we need extra lighting on the side? Anything like that? This particular yard we didn't because the tree lighting was enough ambient light to carry over to the walkways and so forth. But if you need path lighting, that's where you would start putting those in as secondary lights. From there, you have to determine where your transformer, your controls are going to be. Most of the time, they're going to go near pull equipment. That's a good spot for them, and that's where they went here. And then you have to figure out the track of your wire. So all in, something like this, what we've done, 7 lights and the controls and all the wire, it was $2,500, and it includes a warranty from us. So these are some points we look for. I hope this helps you in planning out your lighting system. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.